Managing feature requests through your help desk can be a game changer when it comes to staying organized, efficient, and responsive to your users. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to manage feature requests in the best way possible, keeping your customers happy and your workflow smooth. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll also tell you how you can try the software I recommend for free, just for watching this video. The first step in managing feature requests through your help desk is to centralize them. When a customer submits a request, you need a clear way to capture and track it. This could be a dedicated feature request form, a custom ticket category, or a feature request tag. By centralizing all feature requests, you ensure nothing gets lost, and it's easier to track progress. The software we're using in this video makes this part simple, by allowing you to automatically categorize and tag requests as they come in. Once you've captured the request, the next thing you want to do is prioritize it. Not all feature requests are created equal, and some may need to be addressed sooner than others. Look at the frequency of the request. Is it something many users are asking for, or is it more of a one-off? Use this information to determine how urgently a feature needs to be developed. The software we'll be using allows you to easily assign priority levels to each request, so you can stay focused on what matters most. Now, it's time to communicate with your customers. They've taken the time to make a feature request, and keeping them in the loop is essential. Automate responses to let them know their request has been received and is under review. This helps set expectations and builds trust. Many help desks, including the one I'm recommending, let you create templates or automated messages to keep the process efficient. By letting your users know that their feedback is important, you'll improve customer satisfaction and make them feel heard. Next, you want to collaborate internally on these feature requests. It's unlikely that one person can handle every request alone. So, use your help desk to assign tasks, discuss the feasibility of features with your team, and track progress. With a clear system in place, your team can work together to decide which features are worth implementing based on demand, feasibility, and resources. Don't forget to track the feature request's status. Once you've decided to move forward with a feature, you need to update your customers. The best way to do this is by creating a roadmap or providing updates about when they can expect the feature to be rolled out. Being transparent with your users helps manage their expectations and makes the process smoother. Again, the software we're using allows you to easily track the status of each request and notify users when there are updates. Lastly, always take the time to review your process. After you've rolled out a feature, track its success. Was it well received? Are there new requests related to it? Continuous improvement is key, so be sure to keep an eye on the feedback loop, adjust, and refine as necessary. Key takeaway: managing feature requests through your help desk is all about capturing, prioritizing, communicating, collaborating, and tracking. Stay organized, set clear expectations with your users, and continuously improve. Remember, the right software can make this process much easier. I highly recommend trying out the software we used in this video with the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. In summary, centralize requests, prioritize based on demand, communicate effectively, collaborate with your team, and track progress. Take advantage of the free trial and start optimizing your feature request process today.